Hi everyone, this is Debbie here from Southern Delights. So glad that you tuned in today. I'm going to do a really short tutorial on how I use some design bundles. My husband and I just recently celebrated our 30-year wedding anniversary, and I wanted to do something really special for our trip, so I made up some t-shirts for us, and I'll give you a short video on how I did this. For starters, I went online and I found this cute little design here on Pinterest, and you can purchase these online, and there's like tons and tons of these designs out there. If you're not an artist, which I cannot draw, or I have a hard time even doing letters and stuff, there are people out there that actually do designs and they sell them. You can pick up a lot of these from Pinterest, and this is one that I had found. I just put in and Googled anniversary designs, anniversary t-shirt designs, and this is one of them that we purchased, and I made us some t-shirts for our anniversary trip. But what you do is you just go ahead and you pay the person for them and download them to your computer. The only thing is, when you go to print these, there are special things that you will need. I am using an Epson 2760 printer, and there are some tutorials online that tell you how to set this up for or to change out the inks and so forth, so that you have garment ink that you can actually put in here to do your designs with versus the ink that comes with them. I think, well, if you purchase one of these, they call it a sublimation printer. However, the ink that comes standard in this does not work on fabric very well. So we had to go online and we purchased some ink for fabric, and we have placed it in there. My husband done that part, so I'm not going to do a tutorial on that. There are plenty of them floating around on the internet right now, but I just want to show you quickly. I took that design and I went and I printed it here. The next thing you'll need to have is to have some sublimation paper to put in there, and you can find these. This is called some A-sub paper. You can buy like a big bundle of it online, and what that does is it's really good for when you go to take the paper and you're placing it on your t-shirt, because it's got to withstand heat and actually take the dyes and transfer onto your garments. So, but I'm using, like I said, the Epson 2760 printer. I'll go over here and show you my heat press. Okay, and this is very easy to use, and as you can see, she's heating up. We like to set ours to 375 for about 54 seconds. I think the preferred temps on these, they show like 400 degrees, but we found that if you're using white t-shirts, it has a tendency to scorch it. And I didn't want those scorch marks, so I set mine down to like 375, somewhere in there. But it's really easy to use. Got this handle here, and you just take it and press it down on your garment, and then that lifts it up, and it spins real well. Real easy to handle. But I'm going to drop in some clips of these little t-shirts, because like I said, these are, just a few things that I invested in, and this has become one of my favorite pastimes here lately. And you're going to probably be seeing a lot more of my DIY videos on how I'm doing these shirts and so forth. I'm just getting started. I've just been playing around with this a little bit, and I'll drop in a picture here of the t-shirts that we did design with this. And they turned out really great, and we enjoyed them. We absolutely loved our trip. So I hope you'll just keep following me. And if you hadn't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because I have plenty more lined up. Like I said, I've been trying to get into this for years, and I've just now got the equipment going. And I found a way to get some designs out there. So you'll be seeing a lot more of these tutorials. I'll get more in depth with them as I go. Like I said, this has been a learning curve for me, and I've just been playing around with a lot of ideas and stuff right now. And these are some more that I did for like Easter, and I did a few for St. Patty's Day. But stay tuned to the end of this video, because I'm going to share some clips with you of our vacation. So if you've never been to Destin, Florida, oh, it is so awesome. But I'll drop those in as well for you. See you next time. Harbor Walk Marine.
That's Crab Island. That's crazy how close Crab Island is. It worked fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Look at all the turtles.